Hi, welcome to the CrafteeManatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this linen stitch Christmas ornament. This ornament works up super fast because it's made with bulky yarn. It's also great for beginners. It's a simple one row repeat for the majority of the ornament. So whether you're looking for a first crochet project or one to crochet quickly before the holiday season, this ornament is perfect for you. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend who you think would enjoy learning how to crochet this linen stitch Christmas ornament. Here are the materials that you're going to need for today's video. First, you're going to need about 15 grams of bulky weight yarn in whatever color you want your ornament to be. We'll be using an 8mm crochet hook or the letter L. We'll also need scissors and a tapestry needle for closing up the ornament at the end. And finally, we will need a 60mm plastic ornament just like this one. To get started, we are going to make a magic ring and make 6 single crochet stitches into that ring. And now pull that yarn tail tight and make a slip stitch in the first stitch that we made to close up this ring. Now we are going to increase in every stitch around, so we are going to go from having 6 stitches up to now having 12 stitches. So we will increase in the next stitch. And now repeat that all the way around, and I will meet you back here for our next increase round. For our next round, we are going to increase in every stitch around again. So this is going to make it increase very quickly, which is what we want for the bottom of our ornament. So we will increase in every stitch. So we are going from having 12 stitches up to now having 24 stitches. So we will increase. And repeat that all the way around, and I will meet you back here for our next round. For the next round, we are going to be chaining 1, skipping 1 stitch, and single crocheting in the following stitch all the way around. So we will chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. And we are going to just continue that all the way around of chaining 1, skipping 1, single crocheting in the next one until we reach the beginning of our round. This next round is what we are going to repeat for the rest of our ornament. So we are going to work 7 more rows of this row, and that is going to be chaining 1 and single crocheting into the chain 1 space of the previous round, and continuing that all the way around for 7 rounds. So we will chain 1 and work into the chain 1 space of the previous round and continue that all the way around. And that is going to create these little stitch clusters here that when they are all stacked together, it creates the pretty texture for this ornament. So just continue working that for 7 more rounds, and I will meet you back here to close up the top of this ornament. Once we are finished with those 7 rounds, we can go ahead and fasten off the yarn, and we want to leave a little bit of extra yarn here so that we can sew around the top. I also went ahead and tucked in that starting yarn tail down there. Usually whenever I'm making something in the round, I don't tuck that in because it gets hidden, but because there are holes in the fabric and because the glass ornament is clear, it can show through if you don't tuck in that yarn tail. Now we can go ahead and insert our ornament down into what we have crocheted, and we can thread this yarn tail here, the ending one, through our needle, and we are going to close up this top so that it cinches around the top part of this ornament here. So to do that, I'm simply going to insert my hook through and back through every stitch. So just through and back and pull through. And I'm going to just continue doing this all the way around. And I will meet you back here to finish off our ornament. Once you have reached the beginning of that round, we will just pull the yarn tight so that it cinches around the top. And I'm going to just make a stitch here and loop my yarn around the loop that we just made, so inserting and just looping it around like that to create a little knot there so that it keeps it cinched. Now you can just tuck in this yarn tail and we're done with our ornament. And here is our finished linen stitch ornament. I hope you enjoyed today's video learning how to crochet your own linen stitch Christmas ornament. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crochet patterns and tutorials. And you can find all of my other patterns over on Ravelry, Rippler, and Etsy. Thanks for watching. Bye.